And then the breaking news at Tremo say Kennedy Akompre in Japan Ababon saying Abebo MPP for National Youth Organizer Mia Madam for Mia Minya Penny Nana B Dean say Nana B and in a year Womo Air Galamsey na Womo Kahobi Emma the fight against Galamsey no Ekufado Efelino Kennedy Japan Ebony Dean Ewo Netu and Dra and then I'm the story in the Bremo. There's also the story be a follow up. Tremo say NDC for National Organizer are calling on CID and Special Prosecutor to arrest Nana B. First, Special Prosecutor or investigating Nana B. Now CID for one more arresting Nana B. So what they know Akwako Ra a year Galamsey mo. Memamoti as I say and no dear politics. Tremo say Nana B. Kennedy Japan. There Nana B say Nana B. Epa wambra bonten na wombe kasa na ono Kennedy Japan be provide more evidence to show say Nana B ne kre wo ye Galamsey Nana B edensem aba bonten and da me ne okasa officially we release statement na statement no aba be kamensa enti me pese me read it tremo na de bia asem no e wo say ye de to no ye de ato quickly yanko heading na wode man statement no very interesting heading wo say John Mahama and the NDC cannot silence me with vicious and baseless Galamsey accusation. But funny view. Or say John Mahama and the NDC cannot silence me with vicious and baseless Galamsey allegations. Now there's a washer heading now. It tells you when Nana B is taking this. A year Kennedy Japan the cast and me fan but Nana B the assembly air bar. Well, attacking NDC for mom so NDC sema wo mo de buy wo mo de wo mo say based on asema Kennedy Japan kan ye injana yeso NDC ye kan but Nana B didn't attack Kennedy Japan or attacking NDC for very interesting our boy Mahamadin said John Mahama and the NDC no they can't silence him ya kon sem ni mu na ye hu point about the buy so far Nana B brought about 9 good points maybe the points din ama 111 na ya tretre asiem. The opening paragraph will say, I have taken notice of a statement signed by the NDC's National Youth Organizer falsely accusing me of engaging in illegal mining. The said statement is based on comments made by Honorable Kennedy Ejapon on Net2 TV. I say, for the records, let me state categorically. The first point was say that Honorable Kennedy Ejapon is a respected member of Parliament known for approaching matters of national interest with utmost honesty, fairness, sincerity, and without fear or favor. Was it Kennedy Japan you be a what can I drink? There were no Kennedy Japan so say no crano, what can't will be a what can there ever say what can into one that's the record that what person was setting straight. 2 or say that subsequent to his submission on the 2 TV, I have engaged and explained things to Honorable Kennedy Japan with ample evidence to establish that I have absolutely nothing to do with the Galamsey issues raised by him. Was he and Kennedy Japan cast as some new year one 2 now no Nana B. Efre Kennedy Japan. Eddie respect Emma Kennedy Japan friend. Etre Kennedy Japan in semini so say oh Ken. What evidence I etre say Galamsey the minimum. E can sem etre Kennedy Japan. That's the second point. Third point was say that Honorable Kennedy Japan, as a fair-minded leader, has consequently amended his earlier position about my good self relative to the Galamsey brouhaha after cross-checking the evidence I presented to him. Was it one Nana B the evidence at Kennedy Japan we no afi Kennedy Japan as a sana dream say ensema wakafa Nana B who say Nana B Galamsey no wono Kennedy Japan krasisia wono ehu ne say na enye ne kre e na wono Kennedy Japan be di tre Ghana fo no. Yan Phantom chance asem no meba so later. Let's continue to the fourth point. I say, let me state without a shred of equivocation that I have never ever been involved in Galamsey as sheepishly alleged by the NDC National Youth Organizer. Was say senior NDC for cancer wono Nana B wa ye Galamsey no. Enya ne kre. Na Nana B use word bia was say sheepishly. I just want to find the meaning of sheepishly. Now you find the meaning of sheepishly now. Metrem was here because sem kasakria and a Kennedy Japan walker. Apa koye say say me catch her say ebi akodi obi atem obi wo ha ye friend Kwame na me catch her say oh wa wo tie mi ebi aye friend Kofi mi si Kofi kokodi Kwame atem ema me kwa catch her Kwame say mi si ni ti kese na wo nso wa kwa catch her Kwame say Kwame Melody say wo ti kese obi tina baby a wo be hu ne say Melodies na edi matem but nyanseni anabadwen ba be hu ne say dabi eye wo Kofi e na wo di Kwame atem because eye wo wenum e na free say Kwame no ni ti kese sa na etie sheepishly the meaning no ene say in an embarrassed manner due to shame or a lack of self-confidence. Iti ahase na na bi say NDC for e de asem to ne so sheepishly alleged by the NDC indirectly Kennedy Japan sorry na bi di Kennedy Japan atem na wono de ye ne say NDC for no di omo atem Kennedy Japan na kwa asem no na NDC for so ba bonte be ka say based on nsema Kennedy Japan na aka no yenso ye can the same thing iti yende wa ba be di NDC for na atem na tese nipa kro wo be ka asem no indirectly wo di na atem iti na bi be say wo tese Kennedy Japan no he said this in an embarrassed manner due to shame or lack. Let's move on. Me say number 4, the 4th point in there, me the bedroom later. 4th point now, waka say, no, and then 3rd point. Waka say, what check Kennedy Japan evidence, some asisia Kennedy Japan na, who ne say, no asema Kennedy Japan kokan no, na enimu no, and no dear, me the bedroom later, now dear train. Yanko, the 5th point. I say, having said that, I find it absurd and shallow the thinking of the NDC that waging such vicious media war against me will silence me. Was say na NDC for say mo adwin mu hasa. Mo say in same way mo release president and kan say mo afa me ho no ebe ma me Nana Bi mayekuma na da bi. Na we ya no Nana Bi just as political as he is no what the for politics line mu. Was say I understand that my condemnation of the irresponsible and reckless comments made by former president Nana Bi assembly ni wo beka wo fa Mahama din yen film da Mahama asemu yen fa Mahama ho fa Mahama ti the baby ko ne to odwe ne ho Nana Bi aya de Mahama din abem say wono Nana Bi na same point no o kan say ohun ne say na nsen bi Mahama ko kan ya wono Nana Bi aba bontin bo Mahama echi no eno na tese NDC fonti o ma sheda de nsem we eba no we say I understand that my condemnation of the irresponsible and reckless comments made by former President Mahama to the effect that there would be chaos in the country if the EC fails to listen to the NDC and go ahead to compile a new voters register has devastated the NDC, for which they have sworn to get back at me. So they find this as an opportunity to do so. And Nana Bi being very political as he gets sometimes. The 7th point was say, I can assure them that no amount of character assassination, vilification, and insult will demoralize me from demanding responsible and statesman-like disposition from Mr. Mahama and other elements within the NDC. Was it the attempt by Opariado to ride on the back of Honorable Kennedy Japan's comments is not only unfortunate but qualifies as the weakest strategy to ever be deployed by a youth leader worth his salt. Last point was say, I herewith admonish my friend George Opariado to rather find a more noble and effective way to mobilize the disgruntled youth in the NDC and also not allow himself to be used in the fruitless and purposeless agenda. Thank you, Henry Nanabuachi Esquire, just a lawyer, National Youth Organizer, the MPP. It's here for no any someone Nana Bi wode aba betuja. Not just in the cre wakwa who Kennedy Japan, and that's the picture you are seeing right on your screen. Send the cre woko share Kennedy Japan. Emma, he's now happy with Kennedy Japan. Ama Kennedy Japan at in some asset. Now, let's go to that particular point. Hey, me won't. Me say me nya prophet too. I am not a prophet. But me to me aka say me mama aka say hey Melodies the same way. Okay na bim. Okay ya. Kennedy Japan me reporting say Kennedy Japan aka say mo ya fa na bi ho no den na me ka kire mo. Me kire mo say Ghana ha say onipa ba ko a wo be kasa yɛmfa evidence ndi nipa kunechi ana nipa no yɛn require evidence afa ne ho a wɔde sɛ nkrofo din ɛyɛ Kennedy Japan. And then Nana B has come out to prove say wɔno Nana B no the evidence akɔkyerɛ Kennedy Japan ama Kennedy Japan ankasa hu sɛ nsɛm a wɔkafa Nana B ho no ɛnya ne krɛ. You see what I was talking about? Kennedy Japan will rise up in this country. Wɔbɛka nsɛm afa nkrofo ho. And then people will believe it just because it's from Kennedy Japan. And then who say Nana B the evidence akoma Kennedy Japan ama wɔno Kennedy Japan na hu ne sɛ asɛm a wɔbɛka yɛ no ɛyɛ ntro. You see what I was talking about? Meka na Kennedy Japan fans say be di matem. Na Kennedy Japan fans say be di matem. Basi sia asɛm wo hu. Sɛm wo hu. Say Nana B say what the evidence akwakotre Kennedy Japan ama Kennedy Japan na hu ne say oh wono Nana B no eye ne kre ama Kennedy Japan asesa na adwen a wo kan ye say Nana B no na wo ye galamsey no. And Nana B has shown a picture wone Kennedy Japan got na say a picture ni mu be hu ne say they are even happily taking a picture together. You see same way it imagine say Nana B and ba bontin a metre say what the evidence akɔkyerɛ Kennedy Japan like a bimo mo afa asɛm no say eye ne kre because it's from Kennedy Japan Kennedy Japan antre prove no na ka mo afa asɛm no say eye ne kre say Nana B ye galamsey but ende mo hu say the Kennedy Japan you support so much no mo hu say ende he has been wrong mo hu say ende ye the evidence say ba ye no Kennedy Japan ankasa agye atum say nsɛm a wɔkɔka fa Nana B ho no eye ntro. Se mwehu debi ameka mo se melodies ye wotan Kennedy Japan meka mo se he e osa mo de mebo ema me e wo se mo de mebo ema me meka wo se melodies ye wotan Kennedy Japan no wotan Kennedy Japan and the same mwehu. Similarly, that is what Kennedy Japan does to a lot of people in this country. Kennedy Japan that's sorry akansema fan krofo ho we are kokumwe without showing evidence and then people will believe him. I'm not saying say Ebia Kennedy Japan their work or he doesn't believe say that is Ebia Kennedy Japan he believes say that is the truth. Obviously, and then Kennedy Japan no be grounds for akwakope facts naba. He has people working for him. It's Ebia in confirm information in Kennedy Japan no, they are not being accurate, but because Kennedy Japan believes his sources no, when also far some say the gospel truth no, they are called radio ni TV so saying crofodi and the one who said Nana B a trick Kennedy Japan say Ken asema okafa me ho na nya ne kre ama based on Nana B na nkasa ne numu asem no Kennedy Japan asesa na adwen e was ansem ne so say mo exactly what I told you guys. Na ye kasa eya na mo fi say ye nya tan nipa ye ka ne kre na mo mpe Ghana won ye mpe ne kre ye kasa na ya mo fi say ye tan nipa o na mi ha o ye hwanya o ye President Mahama President Nana-Addo ha wo ye bonne na ebia Mahama time ye hu ne say ye bonne a utumi ntwem say nde eye Nana-Addo time nti no man ye hu ne say that is what is worrying Ghanaians today. Mahama time nyama ye hu ne say ye bonne ende Nana-Addo ya ne ye din eno na ha Ghana for nyama bi ankofo bi ya ye demanding accountability from them no wo bi to say Kennedy Japan ya ne ya fa that as the gospel truth. Montre mo adwen